everyone, welcome to the channel Hardcode Coder. Today we'll see how we can create dynamic charts in Excel. So here we have a data. So here we have a data set where we have name, then months January, Feb, March, April and May, and we have some sales data. So here we can create 5 charts for each month January, Feb, March, April and May for John, Robin and Steve. But let's say if we want to create a single chart, okay, and which depends on this user selection, so how can we create that? So today we'll learn about that. Okay, so in one of the video I have shown how to create dynamic drop down. So let's follow the steps. Let's say if we want to create a drop down of January, Feb, March, April and May, so first we'll have to go to data and the data validation. Here we'll have to choose list and then source will be this. So now we have a drop down of Jan, Feb, March, April and May. Let's create a small table out of this name. So name are John, Robin, Stephen, Michael, and then let's say sales data. Now sales data of and month. So the title is sales data of January. If we change it to March, you'll see the updated title sales data of March. Now how we can find the value? So for that we'll have to use we'll have to use match and index method. So first let's see what are match and index method. So the syntax of match is match. The first argument is lookup value. So what you want to look for. So let's say if we want to look for John, and lookup array is, let's say, in this name column. Match type is 0 for exact match. So let's use 0. So this will give you the index of John. Similarly, if I want to search for the index of March, so we can do it like this. March, lookup array will be this, and match type match equals, so third. If I change it to Feb, it will give 2. Now the next is index. So index method is used to find the particular sale values on the basis of row number and column number. So let's say here our array is this. The row number that we want to find is this one, and the column number is 2. So this will give me the Feb data or Feb sales of John. So here we need to add that formula. So the first thing is to find index. So index in array this. The row number will be match. The row number will be of John in this array, and match type will be 0. For column number, again match. Column that we need to find is this in this array, and match type is exact match. Sorry, I missed one bracket. So John Feb data is 4500. Okay. So there are some constant values. So we'll use dollar for that. Dollar F5, I2 in dollar A2, A5, and then dollar K1, Now we'll drag this value. See, the data of Robin is this 201400. If I change this to March, we'll get the March data. Now the next task is to create chart out of this. So select your chart data, go to insert chart, the chart that you want to create. So let's say we want to create a column chart. Okay. Fine. So now let's go for Jan data. The chart automatically got updated. May data, April, March. Let's say if you want to change the order of this, you just have to change the name here. So Steve and then Robin, and you are done. Yeah, so that was an easy way to create dynamic chart in Excel. Write down in comment box about your feedback. Give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe. Click on bell icon to always get the new videos. Thank you.